this video I'll be still focusing on the XB10, a speaker which I reviewed earlier on. You can check the video down in the description. And yes, I did a sound test on this particular video, but it happens that the sound did not come out as loud and clear as I'd expected. So today we are going to do more sound tests, this time more clearly, so that you guys can have a taste of what the speaker sounds like. But before we start, this is a demo on how to connect using NFC. With this feature turned on, simply place your phone near the NFC logo and it should connect automatically by playing a sound. If you don't have NFC, you can still use Bluetooth for pairing the smartphone device. So we are going first of all to see the bass performance by playing some instrumentals. So sit down, relax, you can put on your headphones if you prefer, and let's hear some samples. Okay, so we are going to test the quality of the monaural speaker together with the bass radiator by playing some music with vocals.
Found you when your heart was broke. I filled your cup until it overflowed. Took it so far to keep you close. I was afraid to leave you on your own. I said I'd catch you if you fall. And if they laugh, then fuck them all. You off your knees, put you right back on your feet, just so you can take advantage of me. Tell me how's it feel sitting on.
Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000 deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like
7.62, 5.56, with that K broad day, we hop out the spray. Young nigga way until my dying day. You ain't about that action, boy, let's not pretend. Caught you lacking at the school and shot at all your friends. It go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Unload the clip, reload the clip, and then you spin again.
All in my bag, as hard as it get. I do not throw powder, I might take a sip. I might hit the blunt, but I'm liable to trip. I ain't popping no pill, but you do as you wish. I roll with some fiends, I love them to death. I got a few mil, but not all of them rich. What good is the bread if my niggas is broke? What good is first class if my niggas can't sit? That's my next mission, that's why I can't quit. Just like LeBron, get my niggas more chips. Just put the rollie right back on my wrist.
Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut throat like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the knob got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato, straight out the jungle, this real rap no mumble, my skin black like mamba, got stash spots in Honda,
So one thing is that the bass is really punchy and the speaker really vibrates if you play some bass music. That's definitely one thing I like about the speaker. So here's a demo of how the radiator vibrates, especially when playing bass music. So that was a sneak peek of the radiator vibrating while playing the bass music. It kinda reminds me of the JBL Flip 3 radiators, which I already reviewed, and believe you me, they're really nice. Anyways, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe. I've been your host, Maxwell.